piece of bread, and I suppose some butter too. I think we probably gotta put it in the microwave. Yeah, there you go. Oh, how could I forget? Yeah, that's what we need. Oh yeah, get that rain cheddar too. Avocado, cause why not? An egg and a lime. And the lemon. Alright, let's set it to cook to maybe 20 minutes. I think 20 minutes should be good. Yeah. Alright, let's take that shit out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Taste test. Nom nom nom. And that was good. Shit.